So today we're going to be doing this broken doll look. Everything in this video, including this blush, will be down below for you guys because I literally don't remember what it's called, but I know it's the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush, but I don't remember what it's called, but it will be down below for you guys. I already did my face makeup. I did light, I went light on the bronzer, which I usually don't, but I really wanted the blush to be the main focus and not the bronzer to take away from that. So, I'm going to be taking black paint, face paint. That will be down below for you guys also. And I'm just going to be making like a circle in the center of wherever I want like the crack to be. And then just lines, little cracks from that. Now this is my second time recording a video for today, and I was so annoyed. I recorded it yesterday. I'm actually doing the voiceover the same day it's going up, but I recorded this look yesterday, and like, oh my god. The first time I recorded, it wasn't this look, it was something else, and it was so bad. So I just went to this because this was what I thought that would be very quick and easy because I was so annoyed and so mad. Like, I have no face expressions at all during this whole video. Like, I was so mad. Then I took this Stunna lip paint in Uncensored by Fenty, and I just put that on my lips, obviously, and then I took the black paint again and kind of made like little lines on the bottom lash line to look like I have more lashes and my lashes are thicker. And then I put mascara down there. And now I'm making like that part where the mouth opens, and yeah, you know, like I showed you guys in the beginning of the video of me like pretending that I'm opening it or whatever. Now I just took my shirt off, you know, we're just taking things off now, and I have my sports bra on, and I'm just like making little cracks on my chest. But yeah, so in a minute it's gonna be the end of the video. I'm gonna you know, stop this voiceover right here, and I hope you guys like this makeup look. If you did, comment down below, let me know how you like this easy, simple, quick Halloween makeup look. And yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.